So hey guys, welcome back to Being CA. So in this video, we are going to fill online exam form and also discuss which documents are to be sent to ICAI and when. So let's get begin. So firstly, you have to visit icaiexam.icai.org. Link will also be mentioned in the description box. You can go directly from the link. So firstly click on login, enter your login ID and password and click on login. So your dashboard will be open. Now click on apply now. Edit profile details. So here you can edit your personal details, your contact details and your address details, which will be pre-filled as per your past records. So you can edit them here. Now click on save details. Now click on OK. After this, your exam application form will be occurred. Now click on medium opted, Hindi or English. Exam applied, such as intermediate group 1, group 2, both group or unit wise. Now select your region of examination center, such as northern, southern, western, eastern, central or abroad. Now select your name of examination center, mainly your city name or area name will be there. Now select your registration or conversion date. If you have converted into intermediate, then click on the options of conversion, and if you have directly registered to the intermediate, then click on registered. So enter your date of registration of single group, of both group or only second group. So enter your details of registration date. So if you don't remember your registration date, you can see it through your profile index. So if you have started articleship, then enter your date of commencement of articleship. Enter your 4-digit PIN number, which will be useful while seeing the result. Enter your exam passed. If you are from direct entry, then entrance, your foundation, CPT, etc. Click on month, year and also enter your roll number. Your foundation roll number will be of 6-digit or 8-digit usually. Now enter your eligibility, how you are eligible to enter into intermediate, through foundation, through direct entry, through P, through CPT. So select likewise. Or if you have converted or you have direct entry scheme, so select likewise whichever your route is. If you have passed any partial group, such as only group 1 or only group 2, then fill your information here, your group 1, just like your exam passed, etc. Enter your exemption if you have exempt any subject. So now you can click on I agree and then save and preview. So preview your application and fill your all details very carefully, so which does not create any mess in future. So click on I agree. Now click on final submit. Click OK. Now make payment. Now there are various options of payment such as debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking, etc. So you can use any of the option. So after processing your payment will be successful. Download your PDF and save it to your any folder. So here one of the query arises, which is, do we need to send our documents to the ICI? So if your PDF does not contain your photograph and your signature, then only you have to send your documents to the ICI. If your documents contains your photograph and signature, then you does not need to send any of the documents to the ICI. So that's all for today, guys. If you still have any query, you can ask us on Instagram or in comment section directly. The link of the Instagram will be mentioned in the description box. So that's all for today, guys. Meet you in another video. Till then, subscribe to Being CA. So best of luck and goodbye.